Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry to have disappeared on you guys for the last 3-ish weeks. I'm going to jump into a life update. It'll be really quick for those of you who don't care and just want to get to the haul. But basically, Dev had a race, like his first marathon, at the end of May, and we went to San Diego for it and did a little staycation. And I don't know why traveling burns me out so much. Even when it's not a big travel situation, I just get really burnt out from not being in my space. And I think I was also just like in a groove for so long of May that when I got taken out of it, I just was like so discombobulated. So I was kind of feeling really burnt out at the beginning of June, and then I started to feel better. And then I got my period, and it was like one of the worst ones I've had in a while. For those of you who don't know, I have PCOS and I've been on birth control for the last like 10 years. So my doctor advises me to skip my period week, which I normally do, but there's sometimes, you know, that it doesn't always work. So I had to like give myself my period, and it was so bad. My back pain was crazy. My cramps was crazy. I was just feeling awful. So I had to take like a week and a half off because of that, which I'm so grateful that I can do. But during that week, on top of everything else, Bash got sick. And honestly, when my animals get sick, I just go into full anxiety spiral mode, which is what happened. It turns out he just had an ear infection. He never showed signs of it until it got like really bad. Like his ear would have gunk every now and then because he's a Sphinx. But I clean him and give him a bath and like do his nails and his ears every week. So yeah, he didn't have a head tilt or anything else serious. And then out of nowhere, he started gagging. It was really scary. We rushed him to the vet immediately, and they checked him out because it's been a minute since he's been to the vet anyway. So they did x-rays, they checked his breathing, his heart and everything, and they said he is perfectly healthy and they didn't understand what was going on. They prescribed him antibiotics just to clear any infection that could have been happening that we didn't see. And then a day went by and it clicked that it was probably his ears, and the second he took his medication, he was like immediately better within 24 hours. So thank goodness Vashy's doing okay. But yeah, that's kind of been the life update of why I've disappeared for the month. And I'm so sorry for like bailing on you guys all of a sudden. But I'm back and I'm excited to show you all the things that I purchased in June in between all the craziness. Okay, so speaking of Bash, the first thing I'm going to show you are this cat tree and water fountain. This is really the only update that I have going on at the moment for my office because everything has been so crazy. But I got him a cat tree and a like moving water fountain. They're both from Happy and Polly, and they are so cute, such a vibe. I've somehow had the willpower to not unbox this until I got on camera, which is crazy for me because normally I can't help myself, but I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys. First, I'm gonna unbox the water fountain. I've been dying to open this up. You guys, it's a little ghost. Of course, it's black, so it matches my office. I have to get this going and show you guys, but how cute is this? A little coffin and a tombstone. I am obsessed. I always get asked where I find like my cute cat trees and just cat stuff for Bash in general, because it is hard to have a cat and make your home look cute, let me tell you. But with Happy and Polly, you can find so many cute things that fit whatever aesthetic you might have. So definitely check them out. I'm going to link everything in this haul below. So if you want to shop any of the pieces that I'm showing you, then you can check there. As you can see, he loves his new cat tree. I think this hammock is his favorite part. So happy that I got this for him, and I can't wait to put it like perched up against my window. It looks so cute in my office, and I'm so glad that he loves it. And honestly, if I can build it, you can, because I can't build anything to save my life. Okay, next up in my haul are a few pairs of shoes that I got. I know what you're thinking, but I did just clean out my entire shoe closet. If you missed that, go to my channel and check out my shoe closet clean out video. I've been reworking my whole office/closet. But yeah, I got rid of so many shoes that I actually have spare space. So I kind of invested in a few pieces of shoes. First being these Nike Shox. I got them off of ASOS. I've actually been wanting a pair of Shox for months now, like almost a year now, and have just been like keeping an eye on them. I've only seen resellers have them like on Go and stuff for 3 times the price. I'm glad I waited out for these because they were a pretty normal price. They're so cute. I've been wearing them so much. Another pair of shoes that I am so obsessed with are these Repetto ballet flats. I have been wanting a pair of like heeled Repetto ballet flats. Essence was having a sale, so I finally just pulled the trigger and got them. These are, I can't remember, I think they're the Camille heels, and I have worn them with nearly every single outfit. If I'm not wearing my Shocks, I'm wearing these Repettos, so I would say that my cost per wear has been so worth it on both of these shoes. And then the third and final pair of shoes that I bought, I love these. They're so cute and cool. They're from Mango. I haven't worn them out yet. They came in pink and black, but I really have been wanting a pair of ballet flats that actually look like satin ballet shoes. I saw Iris Loves Unicorns wear them and then immediately added to cart. And I'm so glad I did because these are gorge. I'm going to switch to fragrances. I bought Bella Hadid's new perfume line, Orabella. I got all 3 scents and I got the small travel sizes because I wasn't sure how I was gonna like them. I rarely ever blind buy perfumes, but I did blind buy these because we love our Palestinian princess and we have to support. Like I said, I barely blind buy perfumes and I very much am a gourmand girly. These are not gourmand scents at all. And a lot of them change over time with your skin. So a lot of the ones I thought I loved immediately changed when I wore them all day. Right now my favorite is actually Salted Muse, which I hear a lot of people say smells like oceany and like pickly, but I think it smells amazing and it's definitely not like anything else that I have. I also liked Window to Soul, surprisingly. I don't love floral scents on me that much and it reminded me of my mom at first, but just sits really nicely on my skin and works with like my pH really well. So these two are my favorite. This I was expecting to be my favorite. This is Blooming Fire and I wore it all day and ended up not liking it. But yeah, all of these smell very fresh and clean and like you just walked into a crystal shop. So if you're into that kind of vibe, try them out. They have them at Ulta now, so you don't have to blind buy them. I bought these before they launched at Ulta. So another smell good thing that I got recently is Sticky Dates from Lush. I have not bought anything from Lush in like 10 years. I was a diehard Lush fan in like 2014. I just haven't bought anything from them like since. I actually saw Leah from Love Island US talk about this on TikTok. Obviously it was before she went to the villa and she is a gourmand girly and so am I. She's so real for this because if you are a gourmand girl, you're going to love this. I wish they made like a shampoo and like a body lotion that matches this smell because it is incredible. So it's made with date syrup and vanilla sandalwood. It's so like edible smelling, but also not like cheap Victoria's Secret-y, if that makes sense. It's so good. Okay, a piece that I bought recently that I really, really love and have been wearing a lot, especially now that it's summer, is this cutie little dress from Los Angeles Apparel. I've been really like into more simple looks lately. I don't know what it is. If you know me, you know that's a little bit weird. Maybe it's because it's summer, but it's one of the reasons why I am obsessed with this dress and have been wearing it a lot. I feel like no matter what way you style it, it always looks cute. On the topic of dressing simple, I have been on the hunt for the perfect pair of baggy jeans. And I feel like it's so hard to find. I've been stealing my boyfriend's jeans pretty much anytime I need to wear a pair of pants because I just don't like how girls' baggy jeans fit. I feel like they're never baggy enough or they're like kind of short. They never fit right and it's been driving me insane. And then I saw a TikTok, of course, going viral about PacSun jeans and I went into store and I actually got the mid-rise Casey jeans, not the low-rise. They didn't have my size in the low-rise. But honestly, I kind of prefer these a little bit more just because I feel like when I wear them, they look like they're not my jeans, but in the best way possible. And that's kind of how I like my baggy jeans to fit, if that makes any sense to you at all. I did size up so they can kind of like fit more low rise and be a little bit more baggy. And I think I'm gonna go back for the low rise and try them in my size. They didn't have it when I was in store. But yeah, these jeans are great. Okay, I think I've saved the best two for last. I got another thing off the Essence sale and I've been eyeing this for a while now and I'm so glad I waited because I was gonna buy it the week before they switched to 70% off instead of 50% off and I would have been punching the air if I got it for more expensive. But I was also like dying to buy it because I didn't want it to sell out in my size because I wanted it so bad. But it is this Jean Paul Gaultier little bolero glove top. I love this whole like tattoo collection that they created. And this is the first time in a while I've wanted like a lot of pieces from a certain collection, but this is the one I went with because I feel like I can wear it with multiple outfits and get a lot of wear out of it, you know? It is so cool. This is the back. Yeah, I don't know. It's just so cool. I love that I can wear it with other outfits versus like a bodysuit or a top where I feel like you can only do so much with it. I feel like you can always layer with this, like put it under a big t-shirt or even just wear like a tiny top and skirt with it. Yeah, I love this and I'm so glad I finally got my hands on this because like I said, I have been eyeing this for a while now and I'm just so happy I got it. It's like a piece that I'm going to keep in my wardrobe forever. Oh gosh. Okay, and the last thing I'm going to show you in this haul is from Nemelia, I believe is the brand name. I saw Durin. Okay, well actually I've been eyeing this for a while. Like it was in my browser because it was on sale. They were having a sale and I was like, oh, I love this set. I want it, but do I need it? So I always like will shop and then keep it in my browser for like a week or a couple days and like see if I really want it or if I get over it. So this has been in there for that kind of time. And then I was watching K-pop music videos with my friend and I saw Durin from XG, who's my bias, wear it during a performance and I was like, that's it. It confirmed that I just really wanted it. So I bought it while it was on sale and it is this really cool two-piece like tie-up studded faux leather set. I got the skirt and the top just because I feel like it'd be so fun to wear together and style like in multiple different ways. I'm so excited about this piece, but if you want to see me do like a shorts video styling it in different ways, then let me know because I'm so excited to wear this out. I don't know where I'm gonna go out with these pieces because I rarely leave my house, so I don't know who I'm kidding, but I know the perfect moment will present itself and I can't wait because this outfit is going to be so cute. Okay, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for staying patient with me throughout this entire month where my life was in shambles. I can't wait to just get back to normal and like posting like usual on here, which hopefully will start again next week with my skirt closet clean out. And I'm gonna buy a rug and like a new chair, and I got these like moldings for my wall, and I'm just so excited to show you the finished and updated closet office situation. I hope you're as excited about it as I am, and I hope I'll see you next week.